I started this haircut off with my first guideline using my Wahl Detailer LI. So my next step is going to be done using the Cordless Wahl Magic Clip. What I'm going to do is I got the taper blade all the way open, and we are going about 1 inch above that first guideline all the way around the head. Go ahead and finish that same exact thing on the other side of the head, 1 inch above that second guideline with the taper blade all the way open. We're going to go ahead and continue that to the back of the head. The key to this is not adding a strong, solid line. You want to try to blend into that a little bit as you're going up. So now we're going to have our one guard on, and we're going to go ahead and take that up about a 1/2 inch above that first line with the taper lever all the way closed. Now we're going to go ahead and open the taper lever all the way up and go about a 1/2 inch above that line all the way across the head. Just make sure you don't go too high into the parietal ridge, creating a line that you do not want to try to battle. As you can tell down below, there is that faint line that was created with our trimmer when we first started the video. So now with the blade all the way closed, we're going to use just the corner to kind of go in and really remove the little tiny lines of demarcation. I'm going to have to readjust my blade so that I can actually get a little close without taking it too low in areas where we could potentially create lines. So we want to be real careful with this part. You're not really going too high above it. You're just kind of on the line, almost like you're erasing a smudge from a piece of paper. Next, we're going to use our 1.5 guard to really blend in that transitional area. It looks like a little bit of a weight line, so we really want to soften that area up. The transitional area is the area in the parietal ridge that blends the fade into the hair that's long on top. That's why I call it the transitional area, because it's that transition that merges the two together. This is an area that you really want to make sure that you are C-scooping outwards, because you don't want to accidentally go too into the hair where you can create a line, because if you create a line in that area, it is really hard to get it out. This is the step where we're going to go through and just kind of try to really polish that haircut up. I like to use my 16th, or AKA the half guard, to really go through and really look for little lines of demarcation. What I'm going to do is use the corner of my blade, and I just kind of go in there, and what I'm trying to do is really create a nice blurry fade. So you're just going to kind of notice I'm going back and forth. Sometimes you'll see me adjusting the blade, sometimes you'll see me laying it at an angle, or sometimes I have it flat. So now we're going to use our Wahl finale. The Wahl finale is a foil shaver. The hair has to be short enough in order for it to go into the holes of the foil shaver. If the hair is not short enough, it will not cut the hair away. But what this is going to do is actually get the hair fade all the way down to the skin, and it's going to give it just that much more of a nicer finish and a better dimension to the fade. So one of the most commonly asked questions when using a Wahl finale is, how do you get the line out if you accidentally put a line in? So what I'll do is I'll just go back with my trimmers and just kind of use the corner of the blade to just kind of go up and just soften up any little bit of line that I may have accidentally put in with my foil shavers. So finally, we're going to go ahead and finish the haircut off using our detailer trimmers to create a 90-degree angle. This gives the haircut a nice finish. And that is the final outcome, ladies and gentlemen, a bald fade, step by step. My name is Miguel Rosas, Wahl Educator, signing out. I hope you like what you've seen today. Please comment and subscribe below.